Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create avatar on Instagram. So guys, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. First thing to do is of course open your Instagram app and then head to your Instagram profile just like this. And then if you want to get started, click on the three lines at top right corner of your screen. Then just go to settings. Then you're going to find this option that says account. Click on that. And now you're going to find this avatar. Click on that. Now after clicking on that, you can now start creating your own avatar. Now the first thing you have to do is to choose an outfit. We're going to choose this outfit, for example, and then you can now start adding some other features like the hair. For example, let's change the hair. All right, I'm going to choose a female hair. Now you can choose a male hair if you want. That is if you're creating a male avatar. Or if you're creating a female avatar, just go ahead and choose a female hair. You can change the color of the hair if you like. All right, just make sure you using a color that matches you. All right, so I'm going to go with this. Now you can choose the shape of face. All right, I have this kind of face, I think. Yeah. All right. What else? You can change the eyes. All right. All right. If you need an eyeglasses, you can get that for yourself. Okay. The shape of the nose. I have a pointed nose, I think. I have something like this. Okay. Now you can change the lips, and there are other things, the mustache, so many other things that you can change. You can wear your avatar a cap if you like. All right. So guys, this is how you can create avatar on Instagram. So once you're done with all this, you can just go ahead and click on done at the top right corner of your screen. Click on save changes. And then you're going to have your own avatar on Instagram. All right, click on next. And now you have your own avatar on Instagram. So guys, this is how you can create your own avatar on Instagram. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. If you also choose to edit this avatar at any time, once you come to your profile like this, just click on this edit profile, and then you're going to find edit avatar at the bottom. Click on that, and now you can start editing your avatar. All right, this is all about it. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video.